we're now going to assemble the handle. You'll notice that I've now renamed the tabs down here. You do that by right clicking. So handle, you see that's there. You have the front plate, which I've now called it, and you've got the spindle, which is the bit you were asked to create yourself. So we're now going to the plus key and select assembly. So we're going to assemble all three. And I decided I was going to start off by inserting the front plate. Just click anywhere, right click, and then fix it. We're then going to insert the main handle. As you can see, that it's kind of inserting sort of back to front at the moment. Anyway, so move that out the way just now. And then we're going to, remember, use these mate connectors. So I'm going to put a mate connector in here, and you can see it automatically selects the center of that circle. I'll just zoom in a little bit there so you can see what I'm doing. So if I move it over to this is the surface I'm wanting, but it automatically selects the center. Right, so you click, and then there you go. You can see mate connector 1, click the green tick. And I want that to go there. So this is where you've got to try and imagine where it's going to go. So I want it to be at the front. So that's mate connector 2. And then we're going to join them together. Now what we're looking for in this particular case is a revolution mate. That one there. So I'm going to select that mate connector, and then I'm going to select that mate connector. And you can see it puts them together. But we've got to just do a few pieces here to get things totally correct. So the first thing we've got to do is change that and flip it around. So that flips it, which is definitely making it a little bit better. But you can see at the moment the handle's the wrong way around. The handle should be in the left-hand side, not the right-hand side. So we're going to reorientate that secondary axis as well. And we're going to do it one more time. You can see it's now nice and straight. This is exactly the way we want it. So hit the green tick. Okay, so that's got the first part. Now, what I'm wanting to do now is I actually now need to turn off some of these things. So I'm going to, first of all, get rid of that. And then I'm going to right click. You can either do this on here or you can do it over here, depending what you prefer. But I'm going to turn off the front plate. So I'm right clicking and I'm going to go to hide. I'm doing that so that I can see inside, because I need to see inside here to put the spindle in place. You can also see that the mate connectors are kind of getting in the road as well. So I'm going to turn them off as well. So I'm going to hide mate connector 1. And I don't need to hide mate connector 2 because it's hidden already. Right, we're now ready to start going. So insert, spindle, and just pop that in any place just now. And again, same as before, mate connector. Now this time, I'm going to zoom in here and I want it to try and get into the back one there. And just use you can see the orange line shows you that that's correct. So that's that mate connector. And I want another one there. Right. So unfortunately we're going to need another video in a few minutes just to show you how to finish this off. So come back for video 2 for the second assembly.